This is video 1004. 504, sorry. Oh, it's 5. Something is wrong here. But I'm figuring it out in a second. Selling ASEAN, by the way. So, the party is going already.
Yeah, of course.
It looks like I'm off with the numbers for some reason. My blog says 1005 and YouTube says 1004.
You did skip a day.
One, two, three, four. Yeah, it's 5 already.
Aussie dollar CAD.
Sorry about that. And I'm about to get stopped out on ASEAN short.
Yeah, S&P doesn't look good.
Wait.
Just a reminder now to the bottom of the hour again as we wait the release of the weekly payroll, jobs and wages data from the Australian Bureau of Statistics.
You can't speak so negatively about a position I'm in, Swing. It's not allowed. Instant ban.
Cable.
Yeah, we cannot ban now. Let's wait for 6 more users.
I'm just putting a hedge order above the previous high about 8.13.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it out at 80.12.
But looking at the major and Nikkei, I'm still liking that.
Okay, that's maybe a little bit too close. I'll just put a trend line there real quick.
Sebeko, are you shorting S&P right now?
Yes, I am, but I'm scaled in. So my average price it's like 3 points below the current price on ICE
Hell
markets.
yes.
Oh, my mouse is keep disconnecting all the time. This is fucking annoying. I cannot really make a trend line.
Yeah, I got an annoying problem. I can't modify any positions. My C trade is screwed for some reason.
Euro yen.
Are you shorting the indices? So we're on the same side. That's good.
Just looking at the release here from the ABS as Australian payroll jobs rose 1.3% nationally over the fortnight to 16th of January 2021. So the head of Labour Statistics noted that all states and territories reported an increase in payroll jobs, ranging from 2.8% from Queensland, 2.5% in the Northern Territory. So with the start of the second year of data, we can see that payroll jobs were 1% lower in the week ending 16th of January 2021 than they were in the week ending 18th of January.
Aussie yen.
Let's see if dollar CAD holds VWAP or not.
Aussie dollar.
Oh, we got one more. We need 3 more, by the way. 10k.
Got your shamps ready?
Yeah, no. No, it's just a psychological number, you know. And it's actually swings. So
Be back in a sec.
Euro dollar. Dollar CAD. Cable.
Yeah, it's going up. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna move the stop a little bit higher. This is maybe a bit too close.
what did you? Okay.
What is what?
Ah, never mind.
But now I cannot scale in well at one time. Just put a limit order in case it actually tests a high. Yeah, that's a good place for a limit order.
I originally had my stop around R1.
I just move it to 14, 80, 81.35.
Dollar CAD.
So what were you referring to when you said you turned on join messages swing?
Cable.
Messages what?
So if you check hold on my beer, you mentioned join messages, and I'm just confused what you mean by that.
That is a welcome message in the trading room.
Like where it says welcome Raja Tom before you
Yeah, I turned that off before.
like you turned it off.
Oh, okay. Right.
Because every time bots join, everybody is like, oh, we have to stop that and we have to do this and we have to do that. So I turn it off, nobody knows the bots join, no drama.
Real people here, not bots.
Seb is a bot.
Yes. No.
Yeah, admit it. You're exposed.
Ish. Yeah, I'm still joking with your Excel a lot. What the fuck?
Bastion invited me to his Discord.
Me? What the fuck? No, I have no Discord.
Kick him.
Oh no, wait, what? Alex, you are in the same Discord channel with me, with Justin. I saw that. Now I'm. But that's forget about that, by the way, Alex.
Yeah, I don't even know what that is. I don't even know how I ended up in there.
No, just ignore it, in my personal opinion. Gonz is also there.
Oh, how do I? Oh, I think Gonzo. I think I got in by Gonzo. Gonzo and Gonzo and Pip.
Yeah,
Pip.
Yes, it's because of Pip and Gonzo, correct. But I'm not active though, so forget it. In my personal opinion, it's
Not active. Those servers are dead, like bone dry
Aussie.
dead.
not even that. It doesn't even worth your time. It's that simple.
This is the last post on there.
Aussie dollar. Euro yen. Cable.
Just don't waste your time, but in my personal opinion.
I don't use any of that stuff.
Oh, come on, SMP, just drop already. Oh. I need to go to sleep in like 20 minutes.
No, you're not allowed.
Yeah, I have to. Because my sleep schedule is like fucked up.
You sleep?
You have a schedule? What the fuck is going on here?
Oh my
I
God.
should. I should.
Yeah, there is no such thing.
Some people are depending on me, seems so. At least what they say. Yeah, anyway, in Asia I don't expect too much movement right now, to be honest. On indices, I mean on S&P.
Why is it blue when you do it and then in my eyes? Do my eyes deceive me?
What?
I don't know, the border of it looks blue. Is it just random? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. See, when I do it, purple.
Oh yeah. Oh,
I was just wondering why.
yeah, good point.
Ah shit, I cannot work like this. It's taking me like 5 minutes to mark one word. Because my mouse button's fucking around.
I don't know, Alex, so I have no idea. But doesn't matter.
Secrets of
3 more people, come on, what the fuck? Just join. Swing, do some advertising. Oh, I really wanted to be at the 10k here. Come on. 3 more.
Oh wait, you
Scaled
can
in.
do server info.
Zanati, we have heavy money on you, so whatever you do, I'll fuck it up.
Euro dollar.
Ah, gotcha.
I'm gonna flood my mouse with contact spray in a second.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine
Morning.
tonight.
I need a coffee. I really thought that was Linda saying morning.
Bitcoin.
She did.
No, I meant like Linda.
Just blowing contact spray blind into the mouse.
Oh. Engineering.
until it comes out on top.
Yeah, Swing, you know about RBA in about 3 hours, yeah? Interest rate decision.
Aussie yen.
Just beware, I guess.
Yeah, but I plan to be off by then, but I'm gonna be stopped out anyway by then. Well, the mouse is heavier now.
Damn it, SMP. What the fuck? Why you do this?
Here's the majors.
Oh.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Morning, right in time to get stopped out. Aussie dollar just popped over the VWAP.
Yeah, just back cable.
Still got my hope in DAX. You can keep us in the game.
You're in the DAX now?
No.
Short.
No. I'm shorting Aussie yen. I'm just saying that like this is kind of like last chance. Like DAX, hold below VWAP. Give us some hope.
Oh, I got you.
Well, that seems to have worked. My mouse is heavier now, but it works.
Well, the SMP short doesn't work very well for me. Shorts setup.
Sorry to hear.
Oh no, I'm not heavy. It's just that holding it like for like 6 hours already, ish. But took a little bit of partial profits and risk held in, so yeah. So waiting to play out.
Aussie yen. Bitcoin.
Somebody from Algeria keeps signing up as a pro and he picks every time a different answer.
He's trying to force it to work. Damn, you have a lot of trend lines on your chart, Swing.
I just never cleaned it up for some reason, and there's a Fibonacci which is very annoying. Let me just get rid of that one. Yeah, they all have some sort of meaning, but I should actually remove them. Yeah, anchor points are extremely small. Yeah, it's 2 weeks old, 3 weeks old. Okay, the blue one is still valid. White one is still valid. This one can go. This one is good, this one is good. This one is supposed to be gray now because it was broken 1, 2, 3, 9, 11 times. Okay.
Are you live streaming? Are you live streaming right now?
Yeah. Actually, in the 4-hour chart, the short position looks pretty good, but I'm gonna get stopped out. Shit.
Pound yen.
Alright, what do we have on the divergence end?
Pound yen and euro yen are crossing above.
Aussie dollar and the US dollar is high up. The yen as well, yeah. Selling Aussie yen was a shitty idea.
Euro yen.
What is that beeping sound? Is that the drone sound?
It's my battery charger telling me to disconnect the battery. Sorry. I'm just too lazy to stand up.
When I hear it, I always more or less look up, and I was like, "Is it my what's it called yeah, exactly." That's why I was asking.
Yeah, these LiPo battery apparently are kinda dangerous. So you need to be careful handling them.
Yeah, be careful because also on my RC car, I have like high-powered LiPo batteries, and I have a special case to contain them. So if they get on fire by whatever, it's in a metal case, specially bought for them.
Which one did you buy? A bad box or something different?
It's from Conrad. It came together with the LiPo batteries, so.
That's usually crap. Your house is gonna be on fire anyway.
Yeah, you might be right.
The only thing that actually works are the bad boxes. They're from America. They're actually pretty good. And or you just get an ammunition box from Amazon or from eBay. From the actual army.
Yeah, maybe not from Germany. I'm pretty sure that I can't get that. But
no, you can. You can get them off eBay. The original U.S. Army ammunition boxes. They are just perfect for this application. All you have to do is when you get it, you take out. They have a rubber seal in the cover, and you have to take that out. And that's it. That's just perfect. And these boxes are actually cheap.
Because I have 4S and 6S batteries, so they are pretty big.
Yeah, I only have 4S. And my biggest one is 2600.
And but I got it from maybe you know Conrad. It's the German freaking company, but they sold it together with the batteries like a package, basically.
So many people tested all this kind of boxes and stuff and bags and whatnot. It's all just garbage. If it catches fire, it will just burn through it like it's not there. The only thing that actually works are ammunition boxes and the bad boxes. And the bad boxes have an advantage over the ammunition boxes because they actually have filters inside. So not only your house is not on fire, you also can keep living there.
C dollar euro yen.
Well, insurance is another way of risk management. There you go. Not sure if me dying or not. But I keep them in color, so it's fine.
Yeah, so the house burns systematically from the ground up. I mean, it must be worthwhile, right?
Yeah, of course.
What's the largest battery you have? Actually, the biggest problem is to have them all at the same place.
20,000 and it's a
I've got 20,000 6S battery. This is gonna burn like, I don't know, 30 minutes? You know you cannot extinguish them. Whatever you do, you cannot stop the fire.
Hence the box, which I hopefully it's okay.
If I had that large of a LiPo battery at home, I will definitely have an ammunition box.
That's for the RC car. So the larger, yeah, so 20k success.
There are videos on YouTube from these drone freaks. If they destroy these batteries, and some of them try to put them on fire. And if you put like I don't know, a 1500 4S already burns at least 3 minutes, and there is no way of stopping the fire.
Oh.
I mean, sure, if it's done, it's just gonna stop burning. But the problem is the acceleration that happens around it. So if you have it in the Heizungsraum or something like that, that's probably gonna cause some sort of chain reaction.
No, it's not in Heizungsraum.
But if it's in the garage or something like that, then just let it burn.
It's in the keller and there is just bottles around and that's it.
Okay, then it's fine. If the fire cannot get out of that room, then it's fine. Then just let it burn, because you cannot extinguish it anyway. You just wait for it to finish.
The problem is that plastic bottles are also around.
Yeah, okay, they're gonna catch fire and burn down, and then you have some glue in the ground. Then they're not gonna accelerate to whatever. There are no curtains or I don't know. The problem is the acceleration. Like, you put them somewhere, and then because the fire is so intense and there's no way of extinguishing it, it's just gonna put other stuff on fire, and that's gonna burn your house down.
Right. I do have automatic fire.
Did you guys see the gap on silver?
No, but I do have automatic fire extinguisher in the keller as well, so it's basically a sprinkle system, but I'm not sure if that will help in...
No, it's not gonna help.
Yeah.
It's just gonna keep burning. You can throw them into water, they're gonna keep burning.
Yeah. This is what I read as well. True.
But usually the smaller ones, like up to 1500, they don't burn longer than, let's say, 2 minutes.
And on top of that, but this is in a different room, but also still in the keller. Yeah, so I do have this kind of fuel jet, which is the nitro, because my car it's a nitro, but also based on batteries, so it has also battery component. And I also have the nitro, and I have like 10 liters of it.
Oh, that's gonna make some noise. Oh, Aussie ain't gonna stop me so out. Aussie dollar is holding VWAP. That means the index is gonna go up too.
What's 10k? Is it 0.10 on MetaTrader?
That's a mini lot. 10,000 Aussie dollars. C-Trader just shows you your actual number, not just some digits that nobody has a relation to. But you can change that in the settings.
Yeah, I hope that indices will not go too much up, and then we'll start to retrace, especially S&P.
Yeah, in the setting you can go to assets and then show lots. I see now it shows 0.0, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1.
So how much in total you're losing now?
I have 0.8 lots on. And I have one more limit order, up a little bit higher. It's gonna make it 0.9, and when the price reverses at the trend line, I'm gonna scale in. Make it, I don't know, 1.5 or something. Of course I have to move the stop when I do that, but that's future music.
But indices looks like no
Aussie dollar.
up. Damn it.
You gonna
Cable.
win in this trade.
Yeah, my stop loss is maybe too close. The Aussie dollar seems to keep holding the VWAP until the news. And then the volatility is just gonna stop me out.
Why you so little in? You're a billionaire.
Yeah, that's why.
Good answer.
You answered the question with your question already.
What's up, Swing?
Hey, long time no see.
Doji, some pictures. Nice pictures from your holiday. Thanks for that.
Is anything happening over there? Jack was here yesterday too.
You need to push in more E. Make it more interesting.
Yeah, I like money and I like to keep it. So I won't. I do that for living, not for fun. Why that being that everything just turned green, the euro is at the high. Oh, this is gonna stop me out so hard in a minute. Oh, and the DAX just went green. Now everything is green. Except the pound yen, but who cares?
I think that's why you're a billionaire.
Ah, shit. Now everything is green. I'm toast.
Pound yen.
Wasn't Doji here for a second? Ah, he still is here.
Awaiting the results now of the PBOC market open market operations.
I'm here.
Injecting 80 billion yuan with 7-day reverse repos. Again, to repeat, that's PBOC injecting 80 billion yuan with 7-day reverse repos this morning.
What's the maximum lot you have entered? Ever.
That's like asking how many girls have you fucked. That doesn't give you any quality information.
Cable.
So looking closer at the PBOC injections there, a net of 78 billion yuan in its open market operations.
Doji, how is the life back at home versus where you are?
Yeah, how's it going with Biden?
It's fine, man.
Yeah, how's it going with Biden?
Too early to tell.
Yeah, but at least the markets start moving. More.
No, I mean, what is the maximum lot size have you ever used in a trade? Like 100 lots, which equals $1,000 a pip.
Yeah, I answered that question already. That gives you no indication whatsoever. Ah, two more, so close.
The SMP it's climbing. Fuck. Doesn't matter about the lot sizes.
Yeah, this is just
Study material.
balls shaking and it's just nothing else.
You apply your risk management based on your balance, and you can calculate your own
Every
lot size.
time I'm here, you win.
Yeah, and you can calculate your own lot sizes by yourself.
Wow, it's the same number. Somebody left. Somebody leaves.
What the fuck? Damn it.
Somebody left.
Three more to go.
Stimulus news here as
Three more to
reports
go.
that U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen to have a meeting on aid with Senate Democrats on Tuesday.
Sell silver TP $25.
Yeah, I will not. That's the last thing you wanna do.
I'm about to buy a little bit on the euro.
Yeah, everything just went green.
V.
Oh, the euro made a new high. Oh, I'm so toast on the Aussie dollar.
Yeah, that's why I want to buy it.
Euro yen.
Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah.
So Nikkei had that huge drop and S&P didn't really follow. Damn it.
Yeah.
That means there's an actual fundamental reason for it.
Yeah, that's why I'm worried about it. Because my setup gets closely to be invalidated. And I don't want to babysit this, I should go to sleep. Damn it.
Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay tonight.
What are you in? The S&P?
Yeah, still playing the setup from S&P, but took partial profits, risk held in, and so on. And currently my
housing market, as
average
Reuters poll shows that Canada house prices to rise 5% in 2021 and 4% in 2022. It's versus the prior readings of 1 and 3% in their September poll.
So my average price is 7 points below currently. But I already took 2 times partial profits.
Yeah, if this doesn't revert here, it's just gonna keep going up like 50 more points.
Shut up. Yeah, you might be right. True. 50, what? Damn
Yeah,
it.
like 50.
Pound yen.
I see kind
Euro
of ish resistance at 82-ish area. I see market price.
Yeah, I'm toast. I should just exit Aussie and short. Another Aussie news. 2 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna stop out. Gonna be stopped out by then.
I feel like you're a resistance right now, kind of.
Yeah. However, you mean
Can I
OZN?
ask what's this get funded thingy?
No, on the S&P 500.
I see it also ish resistance. It's in the zone. It's
Yeah, and
not-
then you're up against a trend line there too, a 1 hour trend line.
Mhm.
But if that breaks, that can be a nasty pull still.
I know. But it's okay. I'm not heavy, so overall it's okay. I can still reduce the average price, no issue. I still think that it should retrace at one point.
Give you your chart, but I don't think you don't need it.
You can, but okay. Up to you.
3 lines.
Where did you post it? Put it in trading room. It's trying, but I don't see it currently to break it. Ish. Might.
Build some momentum.
Yeah. Prop trading thingy. How should we answer to that, huh? Is it a thingy when you get a lot of money to trade? Might get a lot of money.
Pound yen.
Yeah, but requires some effort, so.
Yeah, I see kind of the same, Alex. On Audi, indeed. So my, let's say, short setup is actually based exactly on that simple line from the above.
Can I do mutable accounts like for all my parents and they copy my trades, or it's not possible?
Yeah, I can do that. Can also ask for copy trading, which is basically free. Yeah, not basically, it is free if you have a 100k account. There comes my stop loss.
Which broker is it?
It depends on the platform.
Pound
I
yen.
smoked one more cigarette and then I head to bed. Ah, damn it. S&P.
I don't know best spreads out there. Any platform shouldn't matter.
Why don't you join Discord and talk to us directly in voice chat? It's way more easier. One more left.
Euro yen.
Ah, damn it, S&P. What the hell? It's getting annoying. But Alex, your view, it's the same. So I still think that it's not invalidated, in my opinion. It didn't really broke out.
Yeah, but you got bullish pressure.
Yeah, that's true.
The way I see you have bullish pressure and you have nothing to stop it, and if there was something to stop it, it needs to kick in like right now.
Mm.
Or
right now, it can go even a little bit more higher. I would say 10 more points higher without any problem. And then should just stop. But okay.
It's like 10 more points. You're right. Yeah. That'll be the highs of today and a little bit more.
Yep.
Yeah. After that, then this is free to fly like 40 more points.
Yeah, you're right. To at least
on the
hour. Yeah, to the daily R1. This means 15, 8, 15. Definitely it will fly. But I will still scale in, so. I will not close this setup on the long bias. I'm still short bias overall.
How many points is your R1 from the price right now?
79 current price. 79 current price. 815 R1.
Not like
So
yeah.
So that will be in 35 points.
30. Okay.
By the way, congratulations, SwingFish. 10,000 reached.
If that ends.
Is this meme worthy? Emoji? Nothing?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to catch it, yeah, so you can see it in Suicide. So 10,000 on the spot.
One meme? Ooh, you're gonna get toasted.
Yeah, I'm already stopped out.
Yeah, it's breaking out. Fuck it. Oh no.
More from the Biden that any changes to his plan cannot leave the nation short of its pressing
Sorry
needs.
for the lost disappointed face.
I'm floating like 1.17, 18. 0.18.
Did he lose $1 billion? Exactly. That's why he's a billionaire, like you say.
I think he did.
He can still trade tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after.
But yeah, it broke out. So you are right. It should go.
I should probably close cable.
This is free to go up to, like you said, R1 maybe.
Yeah, so
Yeah, I'm holding
now
down the pivot.
yeah, so R1, S&P, that's the next. There is nothing in between, in my opinion.
4 hour looks good. What the hell?
Yeah, he is just warming up.
I'm doing support.
Okay. Welcome to trading life, huh?
Much.
Biden as well saying that will not settle for a package that fails to meet the moment.
Fuck it, I'm out of cable.
I think it's a fake.
3.94%. That's not bad.
Just looking to
And
the
there's a big-
bottom of the hour now, just over 10 minutes time, we do have the Chinese and Hong Kong cash equity opens. Seeing Asian stocks opening higher this morning after US shares had their biggest rally in about 10 weeks, as concerns eased that the recent onslaught of speculative buying will derail the equity bull market. So we're seeing equities climbing in Japan, Australia and South Korea. The S&P futures little changed after the gauge rebounded from last week's sell-off in a broad-based advance led by tech and retail companies. Seeing futures having a bounce here on comments from Biden on the stimulus bipartisan support.
So
Looking at the major news out of China to be aware of, and just a reminder, yesterday we saw China's key cost of overnight borrowing falling from a 5-year high after the central bank extended credit for a second day to ease a cash crunch. While in geopolitical news, India increased its defense spending by 1%, throwing the timing of its military modernization program into doubt, as well as it is facing a protracted standoff with China along their disputed Himalayan border.
Euro yen doesn't look bad. I'm not going to take it, for a long, but there you go. There's a signal.
This could hit R1 and just pull back into the range. S&P.
yeah, that's my bet actually. So I will schedule. Not yet. Actually, I will go to sleep soon.
Yeah,
But-
you should probably wait till this thing dies off. Momentum.
How you guys doing today?
No, good.
Is that Amarov? Oh, God.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's Amarav. How you guys doing today?
Your mic is...
That depends on what you're gonna say next.
No comment.
I might go take a nap too.
Saying nothing is also saying something. I just explained that to my daughter 2 days ago.
Yeah. Oh, we be short in silver right now.
We?
Has a gap.
No.
Go where the masses go, Amarov.
PVOC setting its 7-day reverse repo rates
It's
unchanged
no
at
we.
2.2%.
We be short in silver because it has a gap down. It's gonna fill it up and drop down to $23.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Is this gap on the futures chart too?
It's a pretty promising one.
Is this gap on the futures chart too?
What do you mean?
Silver futures?
Euro yen.
And there is.
There's something in your text that's got me crawling. Not sure
Can you take a quick glance on it if you know what futures mean?
If there's no gaps on the futures, then there is no real gap. There's just missing information. It's not the same thing.
I don't know what you mean by futures.
I mean, if on Monday morning there's a gap in euro dollar, that doesn't mean there's a gap. That just means there's information missing. Money never sleeps.
Ever.
So
Ever, yeah, right.
So money woke up?
If something never sleeps, it cannot wake up.
God.
What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm talking Russian here or what? I mean, I'm German, I know, my English sucks, but I'm pretty sure I just said money never sleeps.
But it's a supply area, brother. Yeah, can you check the futures thingy out?
No, because like 1.5 weeks ago we already had a gap discussion in this. I think that was on gold or something like that, and I told you if it gaps above the resistance or support, that means something different than when it gaps towards the support or the resistance. But can you remember what I said back then?
Yeah, and it did fill the gap.
That's not what I said.
Yeah, but like there was...
No. That's not what I said.
It dropped from a supply area, brother.
Euro yen.
If you notice, this is a major resistance, and the price has dropped massively.
Yeah, and I asked you, did it drop above or below, the major resistance, or go gapped above or below the major resistance?
Yes, it did gap above, but reaching to $30. $30 is a supply area, and more or less it should, or it may drop from this area down to $25.
Do you know what supply means?
Yes, supply and demand.
No, do you know what the word supply means? Like if you resupply your toilet paper stock at home, what does that mean? That means you go to the freaking shop and you buy some toilet paper.
Okay. And
if...
I'm talking about English terminology.
Yeah, that was English. Like you go to the shop and buy some toilet paper. That's very English.
Okay, so basically when you sell from a resistance, you're expecting the price to drop, right?
And the shop is your supply zone for the toilet paper. And guess what happens if a lot of people are gonna show up and wanna buy and wanna restock their toilet paper?
I guess the price goes up.
Bingo! Finally.
Somebody with some sense.
So guys, so right now there is...
So we dropped above support, above resistance, and you just confirmed there is a supply zone, which I have to admit I have not looked at the chart. I just listened to your words. So everything you said suggests a buy position. But again, I haven't looked at the chart. I'm just listening to you.
Acting like Trump right now.
Wait, what? Okay, Amarov. Okay.
And if you have the shits, that would be more demand needed.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. I don't use toilet.
So getting further comments from these top Chinese diplomats saying that China and US should manage their differences properly. As the top Chinese diplomat urging the US to remove stumbling blocks to people interactions.
Yeah, if you don't mind, if you could look at the futures when you're free, and we could discuss about the risk reward ratio that we're having on silver right now, because it's a
Looking
high
ahead to our
risk.
schedule on the APAC session, as Japanese PM Suga will be holding a news conference at 10:40 GMT.
We focus on more so foreign exchange here than futures and stuff. I mean, there might be a couple of people in here, but I think most people in here, it's not the right people to talk to about.
No, the argument is based on price action that cannot be reflected on a CFD chart. So you need to look at something else, and the next best thing is the futures.
Yeah, but I'm more discussing it with SwingFish because, you know, technically...
We are community here. We're discussing all together. Even people that are not in the community, like people on YouTube. So there's no exclusive service here.
Yeah.
Trust me, you cannot afford that if you want that.
I mean, we discussing that trade, you know, like it's not like nothing there.
Yeah, but you say you're gonna sell it to 23, and everything you said is bullish. Yeah, like you said, like Trump. He's gonna do something, but everything you say is completely the opposite.
No, I sold from the top, I took profits, I'm gonna resell right now.
Alright.
Hey, I am back.
But this is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the gap that you said on the futures. Is there a gap or not? But I don't have futures with me. So how do I know where the futures at?
I'll check the
You guys
futures
talking
for
about?
you, Jesus Amra. Here. What futures you want?
Silver dollar.
Silver futures would be is a CIH contracts for 21. SLV is the ETF.
Yeah, when do they expire?
Silver futures, yeah, it's March 21. CIH comics. Pull up TOS.
It's March 21 when they were created.
Further warnings there from the top Chinese diplomat, commenting that China's core interests are a red line to not be crossed.
Because if they just started on 21st, then that would explain the gap.
I don't think so that there is a gap on futures.
It's excellent.
There's a gap up in the contract.
More from the top Chinese diplomat that China will always welcome US business investments in China.
There's a gap up in both contracts, but it's because of the weekend.
Soros, do you see any gap?
I mean, I don't see a gap even on the regular chart.
Very good.
Well, you gotta. Are you looking back to like a weekend, like 30th January and 1st?
Yeah, that's probably when the contract started.
Yeah. There is a gap, guys.
Further from the top Chinese diplomat that China is ready for closer macroeconomic policy coordination and cooperation with the US.
Yeah, but CFD gap It doesn't mean that there is a real gap. It's just lack of
Update from the
information
Japanese
of
chief
the
cabinet
brokers.
sec that
Yeah,
the
that
length
was
of
my
stay
argument
will
to
be
Amarov,
determined
that
based
this
on
is,
experts' opinion
this is
and
just
effects of the
missing
situation.
information.
Yeah, there's no gap, Amro.
Right. So on
There's
this,
a gap on the futures.
so that's
I
the
have,
question. Is there a gap in the futures? So Alex, do you have the chart? Can you post it? Yes or no? Is that simple?
I'm getting bored now too. I'm opening it. Since Amarov is unable to use TradingView.
I am using TradingView. It has a gap.
I mean, my laptop and smoking, so I will not open it. Hence, asking Alex.
And there is a huge pin bar. Huge.
Pin bar doesn't mean a gap.
No, there is actually a gap.
There is a gap and there.
Gapped above resistance. So everything I said is still valid.
And there is a high supply. There's a high volume of sell.
Yeah, that's the problem. Everything you say is bullish, but you're gonna sell it. Your words and your action don't match.
No, I said there is a high volume of sell that came on that candle. If you go and look at hidden gap volume, hidden gap spread, you can see that there is a huge selling volume that came on that pin bar on the 1 hour, as well as this is a supply area. Okay? And as well as that, there is a gap. So 3 things support something. So this is most likely.
Yeah, all of them support a buy.
Sorry?
I really don't like to repeat myself, but everything you say is bullish.
Why everything I say is bullish?
Did he say anything bearish since he was here? Or I'm just delusional?
Yes, I said this.
No, I asked somebody else. Anybody else?
No, I said this is a huge resistance. It's a strong resistance. So it's a supply area.
It gapped above it.
No, I'm speaking.
Yes, it did.
Yes, but I'm speaking about the resistance that's at 29,800 or 30.
Very minor.
But I recall, Amarov, that you said that you want to sell silver, right?
Yeah, but everything he says, everything that comes out of his mouth is bullish.
But
I'm delusional here.
I'm not understanding why everything that I'm saying is bullish.
He's saying there is a supply zone, which is true. He's saying it gapped above resistance, which is true. This is all bullish information.
But you gotta look at the reason why it gapped up. The reason why it gapped up is Wall Street Bets. It's because of Reddit. Like a person
When it
article
gaps
trading.
up and it comes back down into supply, you've got to expect the buyers to be there. So you want to buy.
Okay, so
Yeah, everything you're saying is bullish. And the price action is bullish too. It gapped above resistance.
sorry, I meant demand zone.
Oh, that's your problem on miscommunication.
Okay, so let's just say it's a selling area or a zone. Okay.
Yeah, but we broke this selling area by $4. This is a $30 asset. $4 is a major change.
Yes.
This is not gold, where $4 make nothing, or Bitcoin. This is a $30 asset. $4 move is substantial.
Yes, correct. But we had a huge rejection.
Where I cannot see it. It gapped above the resistance, and it stayed above the resistance for the whole freaking week.
No,
That's not a huge rejection. It's just a little bounce.
Just a retest of support, which is just being newly created.
Hold on. What huge rejection where?
Let's just focus on XAG USD. All right, we're all looking at XAG USD, right?
I'm using it at SL1, but whatever, same thing.
Yeah, I'm using S1.
Yes, XAG USD, right?
SI.
So, can you look back on the 2020 August 06? Okay.
Harold, why don't you post a chart here?
06 2006. Is that what you're saying?
No,
26th of August.
2020. August, 7th of August 2020.
Take a screenshot, chuck it in voice context. Let's all look at the same thing. Just do that.
Is it possible to access your copy trading program to test out before starting trial prop to understand inputs, etc.?
This is very technical. There's nothing really to test. It just does what you tell it to do. If you wanna test it with a live account, fine.
Yeah,
but
I post the chart.
not with a demo account.
Yeah, that's what he's
I'm
talking
gonna
about.
post it. Hold on.
I just posted it. Yeah, you posted it too.
Okay, so I'm looking to that chart which was posted by Nev and looks like a kind of resistance. That's it.
That's what I was.
Yeah, but it's a
that's what
different
I was-
kind of
Okay, thanks.
resistance because people then weren't selling for the same reasons why they're selling now, and they're not even selling now. Like you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, it's breakout territory.
Also, there's a shortage to be expected, by the way.
Yeah, and by the way, if you're shorting against Wall Street bets. So yeah, just keep that in mind.
No, you're shorting against a supply problem.
Correct. But that's fundamental again. So technically, it's the kind of second time at a resistance or kind of third time.
Okay, now look at this chart. Maybe I'm just delusional today.
Let's look at XAG USD. Okay. You guys understand what
We
a
are
sell
looking
zone means, right?
What
You
you
understand what the sell zone mean, right? Or what do you call supply area or demand area?
The gap is clearly above the resistance.
Okay, I'm not talking about this resistance that we gapped above. I'm talking about the resistance from 2020 August 07.
2007?
No, 2020.
Yeah, I
2020.
see that Nest posted, so I can see what you mean. But why you think that is a selling zone?
Because look at the action that happened on top of it. Look how price rallied down. I mean, it dropped down heavily. So therefore, it becomes a strong sell zone.
But the whole thing is still above the gap. What does it mean it's dropping? It's just fighting now.
Just because it happened once, that doesn't mean it's going to happen again.
So we all agree. We just have different terms and having different outcomes because
But
whatever.
it's something that supports it, which is the pin bar that we have right now. Okay, and we have the rejection that we have. We have multiple rejections, and you can see the volume on the pin bar is quite huge. Okay, and as well as that we have a gap, so like it's most likely going to fill up the gap. That's about it.
I think what it actually makes you think about this is because you think all the gap gonna fill. I can tell you many gaps never fill. Or they will fill, but in the long term.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So don't let that be so
Probability.
biased to you.
Yeah, but it's a probability, and plus this is a supply area.
Yeah, it's a supply area. I mean, you use the wrong word wrong because you mean demand, but this actually is a supply area. Plus, it gapped above resistance, and it stayed above resistance all week.
Dude.
Plus, there is a fundamental reason to buy silver because there is a shortage right now.
Okay, dude.
And you suggesting that the silver price drops by 40% because you called $23.
Dude, a supply zone. If you go on YouTube and search on supply and demand, you'll see supply zone is a selling area.
What the fuck, Amarov? Dude,
Yes.
seriously. Dude,
Yes.
you're very wrong. You're seriously just
Supply
babypips.com, like just start.
Okay,
from the start, man, please.
Hold up. I'm getting.
But the shop where you buy your smokes is a place that supplies you. This is where you buy your shit, not where you sell your shit.
This is what I know about the terminology.
This has nothing to do with markets. If you go to the shop and buy, you understand, buy something. The shop is your supplier.
Okay.
There's nothing to do with markets. The shop supplies you with stuff which you buy, not sell.
Okay. I agree.
You creating demand by going to the shop, which the shop owner will sell to you.
What I have studied is that supply zones are above and demand zones are below. So you buy from demand zones and you sell from supply zones. Okay, so we might have different terminologies, or you guys don't use such strategies.
It's a very universal thing, though, supply and demand.
This has literally nothing to do with markets.
Exactly.
Okay.
Just go to the shop and buy something. You buy something. You understand the word buy.
I know from.
And if there's a demand of something, people are gonna want people to sell it to you because there's a demand for that.
Yeah.
So what I know that supply zone, right?
If you run a shop and there are a lot of people coming to a shop and asking for the same shit, that means there is demand.
Okay.
And then you gonna sell it to them because they want to buy it, and they are you, the traders.
Then why do they call the selling zones our supply zones?
They don't.
Zones
They
are
don't.
demand zones.
They don't, yeah.
They don't. You've just made that up, man. Seriously. They
What do you
don't.
mean I just made that up? What are you talking about?
Why should Forex or whatever CFD be different than the rest of this fucking universe?
I'm just gonna give you a few examples, man.
I'm not gonna watch a YouTube video, trust me.
No, I'm not. I'm not watching videos and blah blah blah. I'm going to give you a nice.
I think you're just overcomplicating it.
I'm trying to make it simple with a shop.
Very simple. The more buyer in the market, price going up. More seller in the market, price going down. But
That's it.
this last tick. That's it. I don't.
That's how the whole universe works.
When I see price go up because of more buyer, that's it. I don't know the next tick. You know, maybe they will switch to the other side. Maybe there are more seller coming to the market the next tick, but I don't know by now.
Is this
Right now,
still
I don't
going
know.
on
I just
LOL?
know right now. Right?
Okay, can you look at trading room? So what does this say? Do you buy from supply zone or do you buy from demand zone?
Right now? Support and resistance. Where is that from? IG?
Yes. So
Okay.
demand
Right now,
zone
I
or
don't
do you
know
buy
because
from supply
the
zone?
price right now is just middle of nowhere. It's just middle of that two zone that you plot there, right? So you have one blue zone and one red zone. Price is right now in the middle of nothing. So it's up to you. You want to buy, you buy it. You want to sell, you sell it.
No, dude, this is just an example. This is just an example. This is not.
Okay, just answer that. So very simply, so in commodities, indeed, you are right. There is a supply and a so-called demand zone, but it's equal with support and resistance. Is the same shit. Doesn't matter.
Okay, this is what I'm trying to say from the morning.
Okay, but that's the point. So what you're trying to say, in my opinion, based on your chart posted and also what I saw others posted, it is actually the price reached to a so-called supply zone equals resistance
I
zone.
think this is Borat messing with you guys.
Yeah, so it's supply zone equal resistance zone. Yeah, however, what others are saying that it has kind of broken already, and it is more or less having the momentum upwards, and also the fundamentals are supporting it. It's actually that supply zone will turn into a demand zone. This is what the rest are trying to say, I think.
No, they're not trying to say that. They're just speaking about the terminology. But we actually have not broken. This is a fake breakout to what it looks like, because a real breakout.
Again, that's your view. Yeah, others view things differently. They see that it's a real breakout, and that supply zone turns into a demand zone. So basically, that a resistance turns into a support, and it will go price up, and also based on fundamentals. This is what the rest are trying to say, in my personal opinion.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I understand what you're saying.
Okay, let's just give you another example. Let's just assume the DAX is gonna go down to 12,000. Would you consider that a breakout to the downside?
No, I did not say that. I'm just. I just looked.
No, I asked you a question. I did not say anything that you said. I asked you a question. Just imagine the DAX is gonna go now to 12,000. Would you consider that a breakout to the downside? Or a bearish movement?
It depends on the structure.
No, this is just about the numbers.
And then no, I would not consider it because it's bullish.
Okay, we're done here.
Okay, so did we actually break the resistance? We did not break the resistance. We made a fake breakout and then we closed right below the resistance.
If you think a 10% movement on an asset is a fake, then, well, I don't know. Maybe you trade on the yearly chart or whatever, then this is probably true. Because the top of the silver price was 28 something, 28.48, and it went up to 30, and this is a 10% move.
Yes, and gold has done that too.
And if you consider that a fake, then you must trade a weekly chart or whatever.
Yeah, but does this not look like a fake breakout to you?
Yeah, on the weekly chart maybe, but anything below it, this is a major move.
4 hours. If we did break out, why didn't we continue?
If the DAX will go, that's why I asked you about the DAX. If the DAX will go to 12,000, that will be a major drop. The world will stop for like 5 seconds when that happens. And you just say, oh, this is just normal day in paradise. Something is wrong here. Sure, on the monthly chart, this is true.
On the 4 hours chart, this looks like a fake breakout. On the 1 hour, it looks like a fake breakout and a rejection. Okay.
Okay, then sell it. Where will be a stop?
My stop loss is 30.50. 500 or 50.
I'm stopped out.
Yeah, in the end, it's basically what we are trying to, or some people are trying to say, that supply zone and demand zone can turn around. So that resistance support can become other way around based on the so-called breakout, but also because silver it's not technical, and that's the reality. It's more fundamental than technical. So because it's a commodity in the end, huh? And that will turn out into basically a bullish move due to the missing, let's say so, yeah, in the end, missing silver on the market. That's it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
the price will go up.
Okay, so that day gold moved from 1870 to 1960, right? Gold moved from 1870 to 1960.
It's still not a 20% move.
Well, okay, so a 20% move. What do you mean a 20% move? All right, it was
Just keep in mind, if you have a stop at 30.50, which you just said, then you're gonna have a 7% movement as your stop loss on that asset. That means if silver goes to 0, you're gonna have a 1 to 7 risk reward.
yeah. My stop loss. My stop.
That's all I have to say about that topic.
My stop loss is $1. My TP is about $3 or $4.
Ah, fuck. I sized in too much on silver. What's
Yeah, I
the...
stopped out of Aussie yen, by the way, Swing. Just letting you know.
I stopped out already. I got stopped out at 80, 140.
Yeah, I hedged myself earlier and then I just went, nah, stop out.
Yeah, I was actually thinking about it, just reverse the fuck out of it and take profit at R1. Which it is already.
The S&P
I'm not
doesn't
out
play
there
around.
to do crazy shit, so yeah.
But the Nikkei didn't really move, by the way. It's just fucking around since 30 minutes or so.
Yeah.
The Aussie dollar is going straight up.
And why S&P is still freaking moving up? That's I don't get it now.
Look at the yen pairs, they're all going up. The US dollar going down.
Yeah.
The Nikkei isn't really moving since 30 minutes.
Dollar yen's in.
So I'm gonna do nothing, that's for sure.
Nah, smart idea. Yeah.
Any thoughts on sundial growers?
Sunday what?
Sundial growers?
Sundial growers.
I got in at like, I think it was 65 cents, and then I got in like at 133, and now it's pushing at $1.20.
But what's the symbol name?
Are you talking about a stock?
Yeah, what's the symbol name?
SNDL.
SNDL. NDL. Oh, there we are. Sorry, I didn't misunderstood you. Oh, that went nice.
Oh no, you're good, brother.
AUD/JPY.
Fuck, that went down really fast. I made like an 80% retracement.
Dump.
When did you get in?
65 cents.
Oh, nice.
Not that bad, huh? I think I'm at a.
So you bought it before the breakout, right? Or after?
I'm at 160.
Alright, 65. 65 was the low. Or you bought it before the breakout?
That was last week.
So I either bought the low or you bought it before the breakout. Which one was it? Just curious.
I bought it before the breakout.
Oh, okay.
2 weeks.
Because that would be like a really serious entry if you bought it after. It's exactly the low.
You bought it like last week, Wednesday? Or Thursday?
Like probably like 2 weeks ago. Like probably like 2 weeks ago, maybe.
2 weeks ago.
Watch, let me go check real quick.
Yeah, it went up to $1.30. Yeah, that's a good move.
S&P.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the short on dollar yen.
Pick out the trade. I accidentally bought 4 lots by accident.
I checked the day. I got in the 12th.
Whoa! Sorry for
February,
interrupting.
or
Sorry.
January.
But Alex, damn, son,
Yeah.
damn. That would have, I would have crapped myself.
I shitted myself, yeah. I put 10 and then I was like, what the fuck?
What about the candle after where I was just huddling in nowhere? You were like, do I just close? Do I just close? Do I just close?
Yeah, I saw it bounced off and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna close it right there.
Jeez, lucky one, man, lucky.
Yeah, I just saw the margin level drop to like 700. I was like, what the?
Hey, red zone.
On your main account?
Yeah.
Why do you do this?
Because I sized in incorrectly. I put 10k. I didn't think it was yeah.
Yeah, I made a mistake on the demo account 2 weeks ago with gold. I was like, okay, this is gold, 1k. Okay, that's not a lot. It's.
Oh yeah, I had that too a few times.
That
fucking C trade. I'll do a quick trade, 1,000 ounces.
Yeah, that's exactly
then
what
all
just
of a sudden,
happened.
Straight
Yeah.
into a $400 drawdown. I'm like, holy shit balls! I'm glad I'm on a fucking demo account.
Yeah, I'm glad I bought this on the VWAV like that because you guys are talking about gold and I'm like, okay, about silver, yeah, and then I'm like, oh, this thing's at the VWAV, and then I put in the 1k contract. I'm like, oh wait, that's not a lot, and then the tank, and I was like, what the fuck me.
I remember I was here when SwingFish did something like that. You took a really large position size on like gold or silver, I think. Is that correct?
Tell me about
Yeah, I just switched to the gold chart and then C-Trader defaults to 1k. Yeah, okay, this is at the VWAP, let's just buy it. And I bought like 1,000 ounces of gold.
Oh my god.
I don't know, $900 drawdown and the price hasn't even moved yet.
That's just the spread.
What happened for me.
Was that just the spread? Oh.
SwingFish, you haven't told me about the. You haven't answered me about the get funded. So, which platforms are these? Which brokers?
C-Trader, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5.
Yeah, but
I'm trading people.
Depends on the platform.
You're trading options, or you bought these cash, right?
I want to have one of these, but like, what is, what broker on MT4 is it?
Purple Trading. And if you need a standard account without commission, then it's XM. You can also have it on IC Markets if you specifically request it.
Okay.
By default, there is no MetaTrader account for IC Markets except MetaTrader 5 because the connection is kind of terrible. But if you specifically say you want it, you're gonna get it.
It's called Pepperstone, you mean?
No, it's called Purple Trading. And I have a special deal with them, so the commission is $6. They have $10 on their website.
Yeah, I signed up through your link. I still haven't signed up. I'm signing up right now. I just want to look up.
You're gonna do prop, Emerald?
Yeah. What's the fees for entering the 50?
1% deposit, Emerald.
So $500, right?
Good maths.
Why did this guy tag me? What do I have to do with this?
Explain him. And blah blah. All your life, Alex.
Oh, I remember this guy. This guy.
Sabaku, don't use forget sleep.
This guy was the one that said that he bought those options at $400 or something, and then it dropped that same day and he disappeared.
Sabaku, put in the stop lot and go sleep, man.
Yeah, kind of. I'm still scaling in. It's okay.
It's dragging up. I think it's dragging up more. So you put in sleep, slop, and just go to sleep.
Hey, buddy, and on AMC?
You might be right, Ixo.
I can't find their demo accounts on MetaTrader 4, neither 5. I want to see their spreads. That purple trading thing.
I'm gonna log on to a Purple Trading account in 10 seconds on the live stream, then you can see it.
Okay, dude, thank you.
I guess I just have to change a password.
Any suggestions on any stocks or anything?
No, not really. I don't do those pump and dumps or penny stocks. I trade blue chip. That's it. There's a guy in here. His name is Tharaxel. He trades penny stocks.
Bitcoin.
So he might be interesting. You're trading these cash, you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay. On Webull?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Webull's still good. They didn't limit you buying or selling GME, right? I don't think so.
I think that was only on Robinhood. I don't think, or maybe they did it. I think.
No, I don't see Webull, GME. I think Webull was one of the few ones.
Put spreads on. Can you put option of spreads on?
Which symbol you wanna see?
Like right click and
which symbol?
XDAO and the Nasdaq and Dow Jones.
Looking to the UK housing market and a Reuters poll showing that house prices in the UK to flatline in 2021 and rise 2.7% in 2022. That's versus the prior September poll of a flat reading and a gain of 2.8% respectively. We're looking to London and house prices as well, flatlining in 2021, rising 2% in 2022.
Dow Jones 1 minute chart.
Yeah, but I just right click and put right click on the market watch and put on spreads on the market watch. Yeah, right click.
It's already on.
No, right click.
It's already on.
Yeah, but on the market watch, yeah, there is. So Nasdaq is 10, right?
Yeah.
That's amazing, dude.
And there's no commission on indices either. And Forex is $6. They have if you go to the website, they say 10, but I have a special deal.
That's really good. And gold is $6, right?
What?
The gold is $6. There is $6 plus the current spreads.
No, it's just a spread. It's a commodity.
Okay. And if you can scroll up and get the major pairs, if you don't mind. The major pairs. The
Cable.
major pairs.
0.8 pips, 0.7. Euro dollar 0.6, 0.6.
Okay, so they're plus commission. They're with commission, right?
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. That's really good.
Anyway, I wanted to change the password. 940.
I think that's better than Pepperstone's actual. Well, we could say it's better than Pepperstone's, right?
I don't know, I don't have a MetaTrader account with Pepperstone.
Yeah, but I assume the spreads on CTrader is the same as the spreads as Pepperstone, right?
No, they have different liquidity providers.
Okay. So the spreads on CTrader, they're usually less?
Yeah, most of the time. But that doesn't make you a better trader. And that doesn't make the difference between winning and losing.
It helps. For sure it helps with the scalping on the Asia session.
Yeah, but since a 10% move is nothing for you, scalping is not really what you do.
Okay, man. Hello?
Hello.
So should I do like the free but limited sign up for SwingFish members or fast and professional sign up?
Are you a professional?
Yeah, maybe.
And maybe it's not an answer.
No, but is there something that I get better when I do the SwingFish members?
You need to somebody to vouch for you, and I kind of doubt that this is gonna happen. So if you wanna get on it quickly, you use fast track.
Yeah, right now it's not the time to troll. Pip.
like 40 people in here, but like one person talking.
Well, talk. There's nothing to be said, then there's nothing to be said.
Alright, Swing, I'll change mine to very good daily. I agree.
Luni. Ya, mi sirena. Hace como un par de años que pasó lo impredecible. Te fuiste por un futuro y el pasado se quedó. Después de un par de meses no sabía cómo sentirme. Tú luchabas por tus sueños pero me abandonaste. Un dolor de cabeza terrible. En ti me paso pensando cuando dijiste te amo mientras soltaba la mano. Un dolor de cabeza terrible. Yo ya no quiero olvidarte, pero cuando amas a alguien tú tienes que dejarla ir. Cuentos de playa con fogata en la arena, o como sirenas, esto no fue real. Todos los besos y caricias ajenas, y todos mis temas yo te voy a extrañar. No me pondría a mentir diciendo que eras perfecta, pero hasta con tus errores eres lo mejor que vi. Obvio que en un par de años te cogí mucho afecto, pero nunca imaginé el dolor de dejarte ir. Un dolor de cabeza terrible. En ti me paso pensando cuando dijiste te amo mientras soltaba la mano. Dolor de cabeza terrible. Yo ya no quiero olvidarte, pero cuando amas a alguien tú tienes que dejarla ir. Cuentos de playa con fogata en la arena, o como sirenas, esto no fue real. Todos los besos y caricias ajenas, y todos mis temas yo te voy a extrañar. ¿Sabes lo que pasa, mi amor? Cuando nos tocamos los dos, la distancia lo ha destruido. Es más fácil decir adiós. ¿Sabes lo que pasa, mi amor? Cuando nos tocamos los dos, la distancia lo ha destruido. Es más fácil decir adiós. Cuentos de playa con fogata en la arena, o como sirenas, esto no fue real. Todos los besos y caricias ajenas, y todos mis temas yo te voy a extrañar. Cuentos de playa con fogata en la arena, o como sirenas, esto no fue real. Todos los besos y caricias ajenas, y todos mis temas yo te voy a extrañar. Mi amor, solamente quería decirte que no he podido asimilar tu partida.
Sal?
I'm heading to sleep. See you in a few hours.
Alright, Seb.
Because I missed the train, I could just buy, I could just buy the DAX or sell Bitcoin. Yeah, let's sell some Bitcoin. I have to have a 7 million pip stop.
Just a reminder, as we approach the bottom of the hour in just under 10 minutes time, the Japanese markets will be suspending trading as they go on their lunch break. Some update in stimulus news here as Jeff Stein from Washington Post tweets the White House economist Jared, noting that to MSNBC that Biden does not support Republican Collins' plans for scaling back stimulus payments. So again, just repeat that tweet there, comments from the White House economist Bernstein telling MSNBC that President Biden does not support the Republican Collins' plans for scaling back stimulus payments.
Limits off.
Scaling into my dollar yen.
I'm just selling Bitcoin. I have no other setup. What are you doing?
Actually, I was muted. I'm selling dollar yen, but about to get stopped out.
Oh.
In like a pip. Yeah.
There's a lot of momentum on the yen pairs. Because I had the same idea, reselling Euro yen or Aussie yen. Since the indices kind of stopped moving. I'm not so sure this is gonna work out.
I'm gonna take a break after this one. So that'll be 2 losses in a row and yeah, mine's done.
But now we both see love in a different light. Keeping love alive. It's a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly. Gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, lose on that pride. Don't hold on too tight. You know you gotta try. Keeping love alive. Keeping love alive.
Is it okay to open a 50k trial account and then about 2 weeks after this, open another 50k trial account to start working on?
Stops off.
What do you want to trial? I do not really understand that, sorry. There's nothing special in these accounts. It's just as they come from the broker.
Prop trial.
It's just a normal trading account.
Stops off.
Yes, understand. But as part of Infoid, is it okay to start with 2 prop trial accounts if I pay the insurance?
Oh yeah, sure. You can have unlimited accounts, but you cannot have more than 700,000 of live funding.
Got it, thanks.
Bitcoin.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Go ahead.
Good morning.
Oh, there's one. Good morning. Good morning. But it's not morning for you, but okay, whatever. You're nice.
It's 8:42 p.m. here.
Iran? You're in Iran?
No, he's just living in the past.
I am the Iran Banking Institute. Changed my nickname.
You need to keep those cards and letters coming. Swing, Morbo, Linda. Who's Mario, Texas?
I'm in Texas.
I'm in Texas too.
Close cells.
Hi. Nice. What is your thoughts on Eurist right now?
Stops off.
Oh, fuck. Bitcoin just whipsawed me badly. I'm done.
Yeah, I got stopped out of dolly and I'm done too.
JJJJJJJJ.
Stops off.
Comments here from Japanese Finance Minister Aso that extending emergency could add to the government spending.
All right, I'm done. Headed. It was a short day.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Did we already get the 10,000th member?
Yep, about 2 hours ago.
Oh, damn. I thought there would be like a whole party. What did they win?
They didn't even know. They don't even know.
Oh, nobody told them? We should make them a banner.
Open the champagne to celebrate.
It's just a number.
Oh, way to be a Debbie Downer. How you doing, Fish? Are your teeth hurting you less now?
Yeah. It's not over yet, but it's better.
Yeah, no, I remember spending like 3 weeks doing those temporary fillings while I was waiting for an appointment. It was fucking hell. Fish, are you super absorbed in something, or can I ask you some questions about exposure?
Just give me a moment.
Yeah, no problem. Let me know.
Fuck me. Fuck. No fucking way.
In terms of geopolitical and trade news now, a piece from NBC reporting that Biden is considering former Chicago Mayor Raheem Manuel for a high-profile ambassadorship as potentially to China, according to people with knowledge of the discussions. So Manuel, who became White House Chief of Staff when Obama took office as president, has a reputation as a sharp-tongued political street fighter. He has clashed at times with progressive Democrats.
Close all.
So an update in the number of COVID cases reported in China. 30 new cases reported in the mainland versus the 42 yesterday, with 12 new local cases and 15 new asymptomatic cases reported in the mainland of China. Looking ahead to the schedule in terms of US political news, Biden set to be signing an executive order on immigration at 5 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. Just over 10 minutes time now to the bottom of the hour. We are waiting to hear from the Australian Central Bank as the RBA will be releasing its latest monetary policy report, the first one of the year, where it's expected to keep its cash rate target and 3-year yield target unchanged at 0.1%. Upward revisions to GDP and employment forecasts are expected, though no signals on easing policies are expected at this juncture. So just be aware that following the meeting today, RBA Governor Lowe will be speaking tomorrow at the National Press Club of Australia conference. Additionally, on Friday, the RBA will be releasing its quarterly statement on monetary policy. So a lot from the RBA this week. So a quick note here from ANZ, they anticipate a repeat of the 3-year expectation for an unchanged cash rate and possibly an extension of QE. The extension may be outlined in Lowe's Wednesday speech rather than Tuesday's statement.
I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Prison cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking. But say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, watch 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 all night. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I feel you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
3 minutes now until we expect to hear from the RBA. Again, to repeat, it's expected to keep its cash rate target and three-year yield target unchanged at 0.1%. A final note here from Nomura: they expect to see more upbeat communication from the RBA next week, today that is, in terms of global growth, local growth and the labour markets. They also think it is too soon to see any real change in RBA policy or guidance, as well, expecting a QE extension in April. Just over a minute to go now. We are seeing some Australian dollar strength coming into the meeting, and now just surpassing spot 76.62. Ten seconds. Unchanged as expected for the RBA's cash rate at 0.1% as well. 3-year yield target unchanged at 0.1%. RBA noting that they will not increase the cash rate until actual inflation is sustainably within the 2 to 3% target range. So again, just repeat that the RBA keeping its rates unchanged at 0.1% for the cash rate target and the 3-year yield target, and noting that the outlook for the global economy has improved in the recent months, with GDP to grow 3.5% over both 2021 and 2022, and purchasing an additional $100 billion worth of bonds. While wages growth will have to be materially higher than it is currently. We won't be raising rates until CPI is sustainably within target, and the path ahead is likely to remain bumpy. So additional purchases will be at the current rate of $5 billion a week, and the board does not expect these conditions to be met until 2024 at the earliest. RBA noting that GDP now to return to the end of 2019 level by the middle of this year, while inflation remains low and below target. Given the current outlook for inflation and jobs, this is still some way off, while additional purchases to start once the current bond purchase program is completed in mid-April.
Aussie dollar, Aussie yen.
If only I could buy this reversal here. Damn it. Nah, too risky anyways. That's ridiculous. Holy shit. Just casual 7 pips down, 5 up, 5 down, 5 up, 5 down.
Further from the RBA that the exchange rate has appreciated and is in the upper end of the range of the recent year, as their central scenario is for unemployment to be around 6% at the end of this year and 5.5% at the end of 2022. Housing credit growth to owner-occupiers has picked up recently, but investor and business credit growth remains weak, while the board is considering upside and downside scenarios related to the virus and the rollout of vaccines.
Libertarian.
Aussie yen.
So looking closer at the RBA rate decision there and seeing the Australian dollar paring some of its gain after the announcement of an additional $100 billion worth of bond purchases.
Aussie yen.
Your story. Tell me what made you change your mind. Oh, yeah. How you move forward and still go against the tide. Yeah. Who did you make? Who made you strong?
Aussie dollar.
Did you get help when times was rough? Yeah. Tell me your story. How did you make your dreams come true? You're so strong. I wanna be strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. 'Cause you're so strong. I wanna be so strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. When I grow old, when I grow old, yeah. When I grow old, when I grow old. Tell me your story. How did you find your peace alive? Yeah. Oh yeah. Who made your heart smile and made you lose on track of time? Yeah. Do you think I know by your side all day and night? Someone to care about and do you right. You still wrote your story when nobody believed in you. Yeah. You're so strong. I wanna be strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. 'Cause you're so strong. I wanna be so strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. When I was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day,
What are y'all gonna trade tomorrow?
We'll see tomorrow.
Swing, are you there?
Hi.
Hi.
Some updates in vaccine news from Australia as they see no specific risk of the Pfizer-BioNTech shot for the elderly.